What is up, everyone? Let's fucking get it. It's day 6. Damn. Let's pull up the tutorial. What else does this guy say?
Hi, my name's Mark. Vent to this button. Now, I should note that there are different used Unity's old way of checking for inputs, and the company has since developed a much better input system. But it's a lot more complicated to use, so this simple method is great for now, and you can look into the new input system later down the line when you feel more confident. That's how it went for me.
Okay.
There's also Text Mesh Pro, which has replaced the old legacy UI system, so you'll want to graduate to that at some point as well. Anyway, these are lessons that will be useful when making all sorts of games. But the game isn't quite finished yet. There's still a few more things to figure out, though I don't want to tell you how to do everything. So I'm going to give you some suggestions for how to finish up the game, but I want you to try and figure it out for yourself. So first of all, we need to have a game over if the bird goes off the screen. That shouldn't be too hard. There's also a bug where the score can go up even after a game over. Try to solve that one too. We also want sound effects. I want you to add an audio source component to the Logic Manager, fill it with a sound effect file, reference it on the script, and have it play when the score goes up. Game. And one of these you may wish to hard drive a real challenge on the UI as well. For each one of these you may wish to Google and draw that on the UI as well. Watch some quick tutorial videos or ask for help in the comments down below. Next, that weren't there in the original iPhone game. For example, with a little messing around, I gave the bird the ability to shoot out a missile, and then I added targets to the pipes. You've now got to hit the target with a missile to open a gap you can flap through. It's pretty cool and adds a lot more depth to the simple game. In fact, I'd love to see how you might expand on the original game. If you make something interesting, record a bit of footage, pop it on YouTube, and you take another simple game and try to remake it in Unity like we just did right now. This is a great technique because you don't have to worry about art or design, just the code. And the problem-solving puzzles you'll face are a perfect example of what real game development will be like. Good candidates for this include Pong, Space Invaders, Breakout, Pop the Lock, Angry Birds, various WarioWare minigames, and that dinosaur game that plays in Chrome if your internet's broken. So in this video, I wanted to teach you the fundamental concepts behind Unity, but the rest is up to you. Luckily, I reckon this sort of hands-on, self-directed, learn from your mistakes style of learning is the most fun and effective way to make stuff stick. But
Hey guys, and welcome to this new beginner Unity procedural generation tutorial. Let's just try something simple and easy and create a simple event handler, pass through this class, and pass through event args a few times. I think everyone should be familiar with all this so far. Import the easy procedural generation package namespace up top. I did forget to mention you'll have to buy that on the Unity Asset Store for $970. Let's not forget we need to create our two different functions for both Perlin Noise and Cellular Automata. I think we all know what these two functions do. With that all created, let's create a bool up top to create our map, but just as a reminder, a bool will always return a true or a false value. Back in Unity, let's go ahead and hit the play button, let it compile, and there you go, we've built Terraria.
Yeah. Yeah, it only explained the Boolean. Holy shit. Random explanation of a Boolean. Bro. Learning Unity be like... Okay, now I'm just like doom scrolling at this point. Fuck it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shit. I can reset it. Yep, immediately I reset it. Play again. Yeah, I think that's really it, you know? That's really all I have to do. This is a job well done, I'd say. Can't see any bugs. Did my score just reset to... Did my score just reset to 1 after I got to 10? What the fuck? Wait. Bro, what? What the fuck? Oh. Alright, so now I gotta go all the way up to 10 again. Fucking 10. Fucking we got 5. Oh. 9. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, well now there's something wrong with the code. Or is it that just it doesn't have enough space to operate in? That might actually be why. Looks about right. Yep. All right. Yeah, another play test. Right. Real quick. Fucking died there. You want the truth? And there you go. Holy shit. Yeah, I think the problem comes when it gets way too big. Oh, I think it's better to keep it at like 140. Just in case if you get to some really big numbers. Looks about right. Fucking damn. Fucking. Perfect. It's fucking perfect. Yeah, I don't know what else there is that I could do here. Bring it up a little. That's pretty much it. High score should be brought up just a little bit. there is fine, yeah. Boom. Alright, let's go. Now add another feature. This should be my next thing. I think it goes a little bit too slow. I don't know. I might want to make the pipes move faster, you know? Fuck. Reset. Oh. 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 Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just don't like this sound. It's really bad. Really just a awful noise, you know. Shit. Okay. I want to head over to the pipe. Well, the pipe. This doesn't matter. It's just kind of. It's just sitting there. Game over screen. High score. Current score. Pipe spawner. So move script. Move speed. Transform not position plus vector 3 left times move speed. Where's pipe move script located? I'm curious. Right in pipe, no? Yeah. Well, here it's set to 12, so I don't know. I think that I can keep it like that. Yeah. See how it goes now. Should be faster. Way faster. Oh, there's just like so much lag. Oh. That was really bad. I think it's moving at the exact same speed. I don't know. Okay, I did save it. Okay. Fucking, yeah, it can't get this wrong. There's no way it gets this wrong. $100? I think it's just lagging out right now, yeah. To render something. Yeah, this is, nah. Okay. So, you know what? I'm gonna make this go to 13. Because I think what's been going on is that it's on the wrong prefab. Pipe 3. It is a little bit faster, I can notice. Okay. Okay. I mean, yeah. I think that's it, you know? I could maybe add like a cool little feature. And that would mean that I need to redesign the pipe. Oh shit. Yeah, so this is the game. Can I move it back? I think it would be a good idea to move it back a little. What would happen if I do that? I mean, yeah, that would probably happen, yeah. Oh, shit. It's still gonna look the same, right? It looks the exact same, that's so... Wow. Well, what if I do this? God, yeah, this is so annoying. Yeah, I don't like that. That's so bad. I think it should go up then, if that's the view that I'm getting. If that's the view that it's giving out, so yeah, I should probably move all of this up here. Make it blue. Make it red. I don't like how it blends with the background. It's not good. It's not good. Got that. And I gotta edit this. So if I want to change this, it'd have to be, I really want to redesign this. I don't know. It's it looks kind of janky. Yeah, I could make them thicker. That's another thing I could do. Top pipe, bottom pipe. There, I think that looks pretty decent now. Top pipe. This is the old pipe, and this is new pipe. So I'm gonna call this one special pipe. Boom. Let's do that. So I'm gonna leave pipe 3 here for reference. And can I just recolor this? Can I really want to recolor this. Shoot. Shit. Oh, I can actually change the color of the sprite. That's really neat. That's really fucking neat. Now, just to kind of signify that this is a different pipe, I have the color be way different. Oh shit. What is this, bro? What the hell is it doing? Being kind of weird. Beautiful. Well, no, they're kind of different, no? Fuck, you know what? I learned how to use the new input system well, you know? Okay, you know what? Okay, what it should do... I wanted to... okay, maybe it goes like up and down. Like this. Or like, I guess they just close in. But what if... Oh. You know what we should do? So this pipe is is normally, like, you know, off the start, it's gonna be closed. Let's see. Yeah, it's about middle. Now, you know what? Better way of doing this is... Huh. Oh, what the fuck? I think this will do it. Yeah. Fuck me, yo. That notification scared the hell out of me. What the hell? So this one's kind of inside. So that's still not really in the middle. This one's taking too much space. Okay, 14.5. I think that's a good spot to meet at. I guess not. Yeah. How can they not meet in the middle? That's what just amuses me, you know? What the fuck, bro? This one's at 14 and a half. I don't know, 13, 14. I think 14 is the best thing I can get here. It's such a sliver of space. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Negative 14 and negative 14 and a half. Alright. So what it should be is there should be like when it spawns, right? Oh yeah, it also have this thing. This special pipe. I'm gonna move this out of the way. It'll have a thing here. It kind of just Oh. It's called the opener, I guess. Opener will be right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to make a sprite for this. So to Photoshop I go. Yeah, I'll make it 1280. Yeah, 1280 by 720. All right, so next. Damn. I guess it'll look something like this, yeah. I'll make it as big as possible. Boom. See, I don't want it to have a drop shadow. Still see no fucking difference here. It's so subtle. Oh my god, it's actually so subtle. Such a subtle outer glow. Oh, so bad. Bro, what? Grass? Okay. And I guess I'm not using that. I'm definitely not using that. Yeah, I think that's good. Bro, I didn't even fucking spell right. How do you spell special? Special. How did I forget how to spell special? Oh my god. That's terrible. Absolutely terrible. It is absolutely terrible. So terrible. I remember when I remember when I lost my mind. I remember when I remember when I lost my mind. Ooh, why does it look like that? Actually, that isn't that bad. Ugh. Yeah, if I feel like I could just change the color. Should. There you go. It's the collider. Flip. Boom. I think that's already. I think red would make more sense. This would get people's attention. Shoot to open. I mean, okay, I go down, I shoot it. How would that work? How would I even compute that? You know? Probably need a collider. And I guess I have to put a part in the special pipe that does all this. Does the pipe move? Top pipe, middle. Shit, okay. I guess I have to put it in here. Special pipe. Special pipe opener. Script. Special pipe opener. Special pipe opener. So, I guess it should be the collision, and I forgot how to fucking do that. Game over. On collision, enter 2D. Okay. On collision. Okay, if collision shit, it's also a rigid body. Okay, on collision enter 2D. Ooh, should make it just a trigger. That's smart. That's smart. Smart. Right. Right. I forgot about that. Collider. Is trigger. Right. Got a little bit bigger. Add a little bit of fairness there. Alright, so is trigger. On trigger, enter. So okay, I butchered all that. Okay. On trigger, enter 2D. If collision dot layer game object. It would be written like that, right? Yep. Let's make another layer. So I should probably already have the missile like kind of conceptualized, I guess. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I gotta make another thing in Photoshop in that case. Damn. There, we gotta make another Photoshop. Yep. Okay. Shit. Damn. What the fuck? Why does my screen look like this? Alright, so the missile should look something like this. Or no, I have a way better idea for missile. Okay, that kind of looks like a pill. Well, we're gonna go with this. We're running with that. Nah, I don't like it. Like anything related to the character should also be gray, you know? Alright, perfect. And that's the missile. And matter of fact, I'm gonna go the extra mile. And I'm going to duplicate Control C, Control V. I'm basically about to make a cylinder. What the hell? Yep. It's like a little cylinder effect, I guess. Actually, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mask all of that. Well, and bro. Bitch. Oh. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? No. Grab. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna just do it the old-fashioned way. You know. The fuck! I did not try to save it. What the hell? You know, yep. This is exactly what I'm gonna do right here. Actually, you know, better way is getting up here. Boom, slicing it down the middle. There you go. Oh, did it wrong. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Nice little rocket. No, I'm not saving it. Damn. Alright. And here's the rockets. You know what? Yeah. I'm gonna get off until later. Probably. Let's delete this so there's no error. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get off until later. Oh, I need a little bit more inspiration, you know. And I'll see you guys probably not too long from now. Probably not too long.